Welcome to Pachuca for the FIFA Under-17 World Cup. The round of 16, a chance for a place in the quarterfinals. Mexico, the hosts, under pressure to deliver up against newcomers Panama, and a game that will be played in deteriorating conditions. Referee happy now, waiting for this corner kick. What a start for Mexico, and Gomez's corner kick. Well, no wonder they celebrate. Panama just simply didn't defend it. It's the first time we've seen Mexico go forward. And from Gomez's corner kick, the host nation take the lead. Rain has been falling throughout the day. That's given away, and it could be dangerous. Saved by Sanchez, and that's one of the best moments for Panama and from Alfredo Stevens. And flick on, it could come through. First touch was almost a decisive one for Marco Bueno. It's towards Stevens. Fierro still going. Carlos Fierro! Keeper does enough, and then wide from Gomez. Better move from Mexico, and almost a finish to match the build-up. Fierro, free header, off the bar. How close for Mexico from Carlos Fierro, almost his second goal of the game. Came back off the bar, and Panama survive. And yet another corner. They've been dangerous from these. Delivered by Gomez, and it's the perfect end. Marco Bueno, and that is what they've been waiting for. They left it very, very late, but just as we saw for the first goal from a set piece, the same again. Mexico march on into the quarterfinals of this FIFA Under-17 World Cup. They have beaten Panama by 2-0.